What's up, my therapeutic people? How y'all living out there? Hopefully you guys are therapeutically living, getting you guys some nature and getting that natural vitamin D from the sun. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys another therapeutic video because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vegan Alfredo. Now, I never tried or made vegan Alfredo before, so this is going to be my first time making it with you guys, so I'm so excited. Let's get right on to the ingredients, guys. This is the type of pasta that I'm using for the vegan Alfredo. Brown rice and cauliflower pasta. I have some cashews, 1/4 onion, 2 white potatoes. I have some lemon juice that we're going to freshly squeeze, 4 cloves of garlic, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and I also am going to be adding some sea moss gel, you guys. Sea moss contains 92 minerals. If you guys don't know what sea moss is, it's full of nutrition, full of nutrients, you guys. If you guys want to try sea moss for yourself, I do have a website where you can purchase sea moss from me. Everything will be in the description box below on how you can purchase sea moss. Very important, very essential to have. I did on my previous videos cook with sea moss, and I always make my sea moss water every day. So that is very essential to have in your day-to-day life. Now that I said the ingredients, you guys, if you want to make this alkaline, you can. I would substitute the white potatoes for butternut squash, and I would substitute the pasta for spelt or rye pasta, or you can make your own spelt and rye pasta. All you got to do is just roll it in dough and let it dry for a little bit and then boil it. Cashews, they're alkaline. Lemon juice, I would substitute that for key limes. The garlic cloves, I would substitute this for like onion powder. Add some key limes in there, and then everything else is alkaline. So you guys that are just fully alkaline, you can try this recipe as well. So let's get started, you guys. First, we're going to chop up our 1/4 onion and our 2 potatoes, and we're going to boil it on the stove. And when that comes to a boil, we're just going to blend everything up right here, including the cashews in our blender. So I'm so excited, you guys, to be making this recipe with you. I'm very, very, very excited. I seen this on one of the tasty videos that be popping up on my feed on Facebook. So I love trying new things. I love researching new recipes. If you guys have a recipe that you guys want me to try and make, please leave that in the description box below. I'm willing to try anything vegan and anything alkaline. So I'm just cutting them in chunks. They don't have to be perfect, because everything is going in a blender after we boil this on the stove. So it's looking like that. I'm going to come a little bit closer. So you just chop it like that. Alright, you guys, so now that our potatoes and onions is coming to a boil, I already have my pot right here with water boiling with a little bit of salt in there for our pasta mix. So while you're bringing your onions and your potatoes to a boil, you want to go ahead and add your pasta in there, whatever pasta that you choose. I'm just using the spiral brown rice and cauliflower pasta, but you can use any pasta that you want or prefer. When the potatoes and the onions come to a boil, you are going to keep the water that you boiled the onions and potatoes in, and you're going to use that in your blender to make the Alfredo sauce. Onions and the potatoes are boiled. Now, like I said, we're going to keep the water. All right, we're going to put that into the side. Now we're going to squeeze a half a lemon. Now when you blend everything up and you want to add the rest of the lemon, you can. Like I said, this is my first time making this, so I'm only going to use half a lemon when I squeeze it in there. So we're going to put our cashews in there. Depending on the size family that you have, you can add 2 cups, but right now this is just 1 cup of cashews. We're We're going to add the sea moss gel. This is 1 tablespoon of sea moss gel. Add a half of a lemon. Our potatoes and onions. Just like that. I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. Some Italian seasoning. And then while it's blending up, through the little hole at the top, we're going to add the cloves in there. To add some more water for the thickness or thinness of it, you can. Alright, so as you see, it's a little bit thick. So I'm going to, as I'm having it on low, and so this is the consistency that I want. Now I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add any more seasoning. And to be honest, I think I need to add some more salt and pepper. But overall, it tastes pretty good. Consistency of it tastes pretty good to me. I just need a little bit more seasoning in there. Some salt and pepper. Now I got this from the 99-cent store. It's fresh sea salt and pepper. See the peppercorns and the sea salt? It came together, y'all. I couldn't beat that. Put some pepper and some salt in there. This. Because I love the consistency of it. Look at that. It tastes pretty good. It really tastes pretty good. I'll probably add a little bit more lemon as well. Now that I'm tasting it, I can taste the garlic. A little bit more lemon, just a little bit. It's a fruit drops. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Oh yeah, that tastes good right there. It's a winner. Winner on our pasta and do a taste test. Alright you guys, so I'm pouring our Alfredo Sauce. It can be fresh. This is what you would want to store all your sauces in. Everything in. And then of course label it Alfredo sauce, or if you remember it, hey, you don't have to. But that is pretty neat, you guys. Now I'm just waiting on the pasta to finish. Ready, I do have some vegan garlic bread. I just bought this from the store, from Whole Foods. If you guys want to see how I make my all bread, you can see that in the description box below, and all you got to do is just add some garlic and your seasonings on there. But I didn't feel like doing it this time. This is a quick little meal that you can make when you get off work for the kids. Whatever you choose to do, you guys. So this is how the pasta came out. This is just brown rice and cauliflower pasta that I just boiled on the stove. And now we're going to pour our Alfredo sauce on top, which is a little bit left in the blender. So I'm just going to drizzle that on there. Ooh, this looks yummy, you guys. And you can also have this with a salad. I do have a video on how you can make a salad if you want a salad to go with it. My super salad, that'll be in the description box below as well. I'm just going to garnish it with some Italian seasoning. You know, I have to, guys, let's dig in. You can also add some Daya cheese to this. Daya Parmesan cheese, vegan dairy-free cheese, if you wish to do that. But I'm just going to see how this tastes on some noodles. It already really tastes like it's some cheese up in there, but it's the garlic, the lemon. Wow, this tastes amazing. Literally, like I said, this is my first time even having vegan Alfredo. So kids will never know if they're not vegan already. They will never know. Even adults will never know that this is vegan because it tastes just like Alfredo sauce. It's crazy. Yes. Now, for tuning in, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for the algorithm of the channel so more viewers can see therapeutic content daily. And if you guys want my therapeutic products, my sea moss or my hand cleanser, just see the description box below. Click on my website and it'll take you straight there on how you can purchase your therapeutic products. Thank you guys and have a therapeutic living.
To focus your energy on. We all hold a divine and powerful choice. Don't feel guilty for doing what's best for you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give thumbs up, share, and leave a comment on what you want to see me do next. Thank you for watching. On to the next video.